There's not much to say. What I want to say is that the Communist China's policies and actions on Tibet are all aimed at eradicating the Tibetan nation. I have nothing to say to the Tibetans inside Tibet. The way they're striving selflessly to keep the Tibetan language, religion and culture alive is deeply admirable. To them, I want to say thank you. To those of us in exile, we have to know that a nation's struggle doesn't succeed without action. We need to strive harder. Our democracy is a gift granted to us by His Holiness the Dalai Lama, the Avalokiteshvara. For this genuine democracy, we have to be grateful. We as people didn't have to expend anything for it. Instead, we tried to return this gift. His Holiness gave us this democracy not for infighting but for the benefit of the Tibetan people and nation. Moreover, he has said to the Tibetans in the West, if you're satisfied with having a house and a car, that's shameful. You all are spokesperson of the Tibetan nation. You should work for the Tibetan cause. More than this he can't say because he's an enlightened being who works for the happiness and harmony of all, regardless of race or religion. But we're not enlightened. We are ordinary humans. Look at our capacity for infighting. China has not discriminated in persecuting us. Be it Kham, Amdo, or Utsang, they have brutally oppressed all Tibetans. We're all Tibetans and that's why we have to strive for the cause of our nation. Right now, whatever we are saying that Tibetans don't have human rights, or freedom of expression, or freedom to keep a portrait of His Holiness, we have lost all these freedoms because we lost our independence. That's why, from today onwards, be it the Tibetan government, the parliament, or the people, we have to be united and strive for the Tibetan nation. This is the most important thing. So, from today onwards, Tibetans in exile, please stop fighting over Cholka and Cholug and remember, we're all Tibetan and Tibet is our country. Some say we didn't have a country or independence. We did, but we lost it. So, we have to get it back. That's why we have to become united and strive and work to regain our independence. That is my sincere request to everyone in exile. I fold my two hands and say, please work towards this goal. That's one thing. Secondly, if today I carried out a strong action, please don't let it affect the celebrations of His Holiness the Dalai Lama 91st birthday, which is in a few days. Also, don't let it interrupt our cultural dance programs, which are a great way to keep our culture alive, stay healthy, and engage the youth. So, please, don't stop them or let them be affected. In fact, I hope you will celebrate His Holiness's birthday in a good way and grandly. Don't stop the cultural programs and mourn for me. What you have to do is, while celebrating, think about what you can do for the Tibetan people and nation. And in future, I request you to strive even harder. If today I carry out a drastic action, it's not because I don't have enough to eat or wear. I carry it out because of our nation, for Tibet. So, because of that, we have to carry on our actions. These days in exile, we say we have to mourn. You don't have to do that. If you want to mourn, then listen to my hopes and my requests and keep working towards them. The root cause of all our losses is the independence that we lost. If we regain our independence, we will have everything else. That's why what we need is independence. For that, all of us need to strive. So, everyone, please, keep on striving. That is my request. Victory to Tibetan independence. Victory to Tibet.